Do you know how you smell has a great impact on how you feel? Like, you literally feel like the most confident person in the room. And I never paid attention to it when I was in college, and I would just like, put on some spray here and there and not really bother about if it's lasting me the entire day or not, etc, etc. But as you grow older, you actually understand the importance of smell. Today I'm going to share a couple of tricks here and there to make sure that you smell good all day long. I am Simmy Goraya. Welcome to this episode and let's get started. Number one, you are what you eat, and this literally impacts your body odor as well. So if you eat a lot of spicy food and junk food, etc., that will literally have a little stinky effect on your body odor as compared to when you start having whole foods and fruits and nuts, etc, etc. That actually has an impact on how you smell. And so it is actually true when you hear people say what you eat is what you are. Number two, shower regularly. Now अब ये मुझे याद दिलाना पड़ रहा है वीडियो में, but अगर आप दिन में एक बार नहीं नहाते हैं तो प्लीज नहाना शुरू कर दें, because obviously आपकी बॉडी से अच्छी स्मेल नहीं आएगी if you don't take a shower every day, especially in summers. Like, it gets extremely sweaty here, so you cannot really just pass through the day without taking a shower twice at least, but once is recommended. Number three, spray your hairbrush with perfume. Now हम लोग बहुत पैसे खर्च करते हैं on expensive perfumes that smell good, but the fragrance doesn't really last that long. So I've discovered this hack where you actually can spray a little bit of perfume at a distance on your hairbrush and then just comb your hair with it, and trust me, your hair will smell gorgeous all day long. Okay, number four. Now this is a personal hack that I do. I spray a little bit of perfume on my entire wardrobe, जिससे कि अगर मैं किसी दिन perfume लगाना भूल भी गई तो my entire wardrobe actually has a little bit of mild fragrance, which is my signature fragrance over all of my clothes. So अगर मैं भूल भी गई किसी दिन perfume लगाना, so I still am smelling good all day long. Number five, create your own scented lotion. Now this is something that I personally love. I spend a bomb on these lotions जहाँ पे the fragrance does not really last even for an hour. So what I figured is, why not spray a little bit of perfume in the scented lotion itself, and it actually smells gorgeous every time you apply it. And I like to moisturize my hands and legs, so it does the job of keeping my body moisturized, looking nice, smooth and supple, but at the same time smelling gorgeous. Number six, invest in a long-lasting perfume. Now, I am personally a hoarder of perfumes. I have started investing and sort of buying perfumes since years now, and I keep growing my collection little by little. Like, it's not like I buy a lot of perfumes together, but every time I buy a perfume, I make sure that I test it out for a couple of hours to see how long it actually lasts. I have perfumes for my date night, I have perfumes for summer, for winter, for like, girls' day out, just my signature scent as well. And it's actually true, if you're wearing floral, you feel very soft and you get that soft girl vibe out. When you're wearing something very deep and musky, it's usually for a date night and you're feeling very sensual, etc, etc. So I like to curate my scents accordingly. And also I got my hands on a couple of scents from Shopper Stop. Some of these are iconic, some of these are newly launched, so I'm just going to show you what I have. So the first one that I have here is Valentino Born in Roma UOMO, and this literally smells like you're out for business. You can wear this during the day as well as at night. It has a very deep musky flavor, and that's why I said it feels like you're out for business. Okay, the next one I have is VIKTOR&ROLF BONBON. I have seen great reviews of this one. This is actually a fragrance that brings out my feminine side. It's beautiful, it's woody, it's floral at the same time, and I love the packaging. Okay, the next one that I have is MUGLER Alien. Now this one is also another iconic fragrance. It's got top notes of lavender and it smells very delicate. I would wear it during winters because it gives you that sort of a warmth that you would want during winters. And the last and final one that I have here is the newly launched PRADA PARADOXE. Now this has already become such an iconic fragrance, and it's got a beautiful floral ambery fragrance. I wanted to get this for my mom, and so I have it here. So these are some of the perfumes that I got from Shopper Stop, and I've been trying it out on different occasions to see what compliments I'm getting, etc. And so I'm just gonna like mix and match it to create my perfect scent out of it. And so I'm gonna be trying it out on different occasions to see where it suits me the most. And moving on to the next point. Point number 7. When you want to smell good all day long, make sure that you spray your perfume all over your torso and also on your pulse point and behind your knees. The heat from your pulse point will actually make sure that you smell good all day long. Coming to the last and final point. Point number Number 8, don't forget to reapply your perfume at least once during the day, because even the long-lasting ones will need at least one more application to make sure you smell good all day long. And with that, this video comes to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to SSBeauty's YouTube channel for more such content. And also the Parfum Global sale is now live. All of the details are mentioned in the description box below, and you can get your hands on all of these perfumes at a steal deal, so check it out.